Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can read by today's title, yes, I'm showing my face. As you can read by today's title, it is about how you can create Facebook ads, Instagram ads via Facebook, and how you can increase your followers and engagement. So let's get started. Instagram has over 7 million monthly active users now, and the number continues to grow every single month. So it is a very good platform to, if you want to get started with your ad, it is a very good platform. And why I'm telling you from Facebook, because Facebook gives you a tons of different targeting options, wherein Instagram doesn't have that kind of options. Like if you start with the ads, it might not give you can't remarket, you can't target people via their job titles, or being very much specific. You can just generally, if you want to target just generally just random thing, you can do that. So I would always prefer, if you're doing Instagram ads, do it via Facebook. So for that, you have to have your business account. You can see my previous videos. I have created, I believe, two to three videos regarding business manager, ads manager, how to create a business manager and everything. So I will link that video in the description box below, and you can check that out. Okay, so here we'll see, for just to start, you have to go to your Facebook business manager, but your Facebook and Instagram must be linked. So you can do it here. So I'm not giving you a proper tutorial in this, because I have created a in-depth video for the same. So just check out the description box below. So once you are connected to your Instagram, like your Facebook is connected to your Instagram, then only you will be able to do the ads. And in Facebook owns Instagram, so it is not anything illegal, not illegal, I mean wrong thing to do it. Most people, I believe, in this lockdown, I have seen so many ads on Instagram stories. Oh my god, people into fitness industries, dieting, makeup and everything. So people, I know, not everyone has a job right now due to this lockdown, but it is has become a medium to share your content across, and it has become a very easier way to connect with your audience. So we'll just start creating with the ads. We'll click on create. It's loading. Okay, so this is here, it is showing me not in depth. Okay, so this is not a guided, it is a quick creation one, which is actually very simpler for everyone today. So here you have to connect Instagram with your Facebook. Like Instagram doesn't have all the objectives, right? It has, I believe, 2 to 3 to 4, I believe, objectives. So you can do reach, you can do brand awareness. It will be applicable on Instagram. You can do traffic, you can do engagement ads, app installs as well, video views, lead generation, everything can be done. But I believe, and conversion as well, but I guess messages won't be possible, because if people click on that messaging option, then they'll land up on Facebook, not on Instagram. So it might be a confusion. So don't go for if your objective is messaging, don't do it for Instagram via this. You can just go from Instagram and target it. And the remaining two, catalog sales and traffic, store traffic, won't be there, I believe. Otherwise everything else is there. Leaving these two, everything, and also the messaging, everything else you can take that as an objective for Instagram when you're doing it from ads manager. Okay, so I'll just start with traffic. Actually, I wanted to show you how you can increase your Instagram followers via ads manager via Facebook. So traffic is the proper objective you can take. Engagement, you can do the same way for engagement as well, but when you want to create increase your engagement of the page of the post, then you can select engagement. So traffic, here you'll just get a very quick way to create it. So we'll just put the name as like Instagram followers, something like that, your page name, your date, because you want to keep everything like हाँ ये 29th को बना था and yeah ये 2nd को बना था. And by the way, happy friendship day guys. It is 2nd today, yeah, so hopefully I'll upload it today itself. The next one would be the ad set. So ad set also, I'm not giving any specific name to this, but I believe ad set is fine. Instagram followers का रहेगा, we can just keep, you don't need anything else except that. So I'm just keeping the same because this is just an example which I'm creating for you guys. I'm not actually putting this ad. I have done tons of ad like this, and I have increased Instagram followers for my clients and for my own page as well. And we'll just click on create ad and we'll just put ad copy 1. So this would be my first copy, so I'm just putting ad copy 1. Now it is like you have created the overall setup, but now you have to go in depth, like what you want your campaign to be, whether you want it auction basis, whether it comes under special category. Special category means if you're putting ads on credit cards, if you're putting ads on taking loans or something, or housing or employment, so you have to tick that's the toggle button. If you can see, you can just click and then create it. Social issue, elections, or anything of that sort. So right now we are not doing anything related to that, so I'll just off it. Auction, buying type will be auction itself. Auction means nowadays people pay, like we have to do auctions for ads. Like if people who are paying 10,000 rupees for some ad and 1,000 rupees for some ad, and I am putting 2,000 rupees for that ad, so their ad will be shown to more people, because auction wise they are promoting it more and they are reaching to larger audience. Then I am not reaching to that big audience, so my ad might show later on. Their ad will be shown to much wider audience. So after this, A/B testing, if you want to do A/B testing works like if you want to for ad sets, if you want to have different location targeting, one would be for Mumbai, one would be for Delhi, Bangalore, whatever. So you can keep different kinds of ad sets. That also comes under placements, budgeting. If you want Delhi, you want only 5,000 to be spent on Delhi and Mumbai, I believe there will be more conversion, there will be more result, there people will connect with me more. So you might increase that budget and keep Delhi less. Maybe 5,000 Delhi, 7,000 Mumbai. So, and then you can see the result where it is coming good. If you're getting good result from Delhi itself, you can increase that budget as well, right? So that's how it works. And you can do it for placements, like if you want to target people only on desktop, people who are working on desktop, people who are not using that much mobile. So you can just do an A/B testing for mobile and desktop. Placements can be stories, messaging, feeds, instant articles and all that. So you can just keep that A/B testing on each ad set different. So then you will be able to कहाँ पे ज़्यादा conversion, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा followers आ रहे हैं मुझे. So that is how it works. Budget optimization, actually this divides budget. If you are sure that you want to create 4 to 5 different ad sets for each location, for random things, for targeting, maybe interest wise you want to target. Second one, ad set you want to do remarketing. Third, maybe you just want to target people who have already engaged in with me with my page in the past. So you can do that way. So it actually completely depends on what. So this budget optimization will divide your budget. You don't even have to think like मैं इसमें 2,000 दे रही हूँ, 3,000 दे रही हूँ, 4,000. You don't have to think about putting budgets in each. It will divide. You just have to give the total budget. It is 10,000, and it will depending upon the performance of the ad, it will deliver where it is needed the most, the same way. Okay, so if you want to click on dynamic creative, you want to do A/B testing for creatives, headline, post copies, and all that. So you can click on that, and which is good. This would work only if you're creating your ad from the scratch. It won't work. Sorry, it won't work for if you're putting existing content. If you have already published your content on Facebook, on Instagram, and then I don't think so that would work for dynamic ads. So not existing. If you're creating a new ad from scratch, so click on dynamic creative. Can you see how many daily results I'm getting? Reach is good, and link clicks would be people seeing my ad and putting doing swipe up, or clicking on the ad and going to my Instagram page. So that is link click. So people, maybe if it is showing like 365 people will come to my website in on daily basis. This is just an estimate, don't go on that, but I'm just taking that example of like 365 people. So it is a big deal, like 365 people coming to my website every day basis. So there will be my customers, they can be my they want to learn from me, or create helping me to create good content and all that. So which is a good thing. Even if you're not getting followers, like at least you'll get 100 to 200 followers from that 365. Pakka you'll get it, don't worry, because you're giving a good targeting option. Budget, I believe 800 was there. I don't think so. 100, 200, 300. If you're doing daily budget ka system, so you can just go for like minimum is 100. It is minimum actually, but I would prefer going for 100. 200 is fine, 300 is fine, depending upon your requirement. So I'm just putting your 300. Did you see the changes? Actually, it was 800 before, and it has actually reduced to 137, which is completely fine. So if you want more visitors, more followers on your Instagram, increase the budget. That's it. But keep on optimizing it, because your link clicks can be higher, and that would affect your result. I'll just set an end date, so that I know how much I'll be spending this whole week, or like in 4 days, how much I'm spending on this campaign and what the result I'm getting. Right? So this is the estimated daily result. Then here comes the tricky part. If you want to increase Instagram followers, people who have already engaged with your page, creating lookalike of that audience would work really well, because they would be similar to your audience. Now you're creating on interest basis, people interested in digital marketing, social media marketing, social media managers, digital marketing managers, then there is online medium, website development, and all that. If you do that way, some people might be not interested, they might not want to go inside and check what it is and all that. Rather, people who have already engaged with your page, like they follow you, or they have messaged you regarding something, so any engagement on your page, so creating lookalike of that audience would be much more converting audience. They might also be interested in your page. They might also be this would be a new audience altogether. You may get your new clients, you may get your new followers, new audience, people engaging to your content. However, this would be a good thing rather than just putting on interest basis. I believe you should do it for lookalike, because this has worked in past. I've seen several YouTube videos as well where they have told this, and actually that has worked for them. It has worked for me. So we'll just go to how to do it. You have to go to audience. You have to have your business manager set up. Okay, so just go to the audience. Here you can see your Instagram only when it is connected to your Facebook, your business account, right? I mean business manager. So we'll just click on create audience. I'll just go to Instagram account. So this is the custom audience. Or I'll select Instagram account. So if you have different many Instagram account, so you have to select from your. You'll get options of different Instagram accounts. Yeah. So I'll just select my social voyage, right? So everyone who has engaged with your professional account in last 365 days. So my account is not that old. It's been, I believe, 6 months. So I'm just putting maybe 180 days. So if you have an older account like 1 year, 2 years, so 365 is the maximum you can do. So people who have engaged with you from last 1 year, your data, their data, as in not the data, you'll get the number. Like you have engaged 10,000 people in last 1 year. So you can create a look-alike audience of that person, of that audience. I'm so sorry, of that audience. Now I'll just click on create a lookalike audience. Can you see that option? So you'll get that option once you create the custom audience. So I'll just click on that. After selecting that, you'll get this percent. So higher the percent, it will become, more generalized. Lower the percent, it will be much more specific to your audience. So that engaged audience in last 180 days. So creating lookalike of them would be 1%. Why 1%? Because that would be much more relevant to those audience. If you increase, it will not be that relevant and it will become a bit of generalized audience. So I'll do this. So now it is showing ready. So you can put this in the ad and it will take 2 to 3 hours more of, to put that data in. So it's fine. You can just create the whole ad and you can just wait for like 2 to 3 hours and it will be activated. So can you see it will come on custom audience. I have come back to my ad setup. So this will appear on my custom audience option. So I'll just click on the lookalike 1%. So now can you see there is no data, nothing they are showing, because here it is also showing karke it will take some time, right? So I will leave everything else. If you want to change the age ka thing, you can do, or location. Otherwise, I'm just keeping it, keeping everything the same. Now, you'll get 2 options. I have actually mentioned this a lot of time. Automatic or manual. Always go for manual. Automatic will make you lose money. Why? I'll tell you. Because automatic, it will be like if you're getting good engagement, it will start spending. Facebook will start spending on its own. Here you can manage. Here you can see I want to spend on feeds only, Facebook feeds only, Instagram feeds, on stories. That's it. You can clearly mention, clearly click on that, right? So right, I'm just doing Instagram followers, to increase your followers, to get 300 400 followers per day. For that I'm doing it, right? So I will target only Instagram. I'll just not target Facebook. Here I'll click on manual placements. After that, there are option of devices as well. So this desktop or mobile, what will you choose? Of course mobile, because Instagram is not used on desktop, right? So I'll just not click on desktop. I'll just click on mobile, right? I'll just keep the device as mobile. Platform, I'll not choose Facebook, I'll not choose audience network, I'll not choose Messenger. It will only be Instagram. If you're showing on that, they won't followers, most engagement on your stories nowadays, guys. So if you keep feed, I'm still okay, but I would like you to just concentrate on stories. So I would not select any other I would not select any other placements. I'll just select stories. Yeah. We'll just deselect it. So right now it is still not showing any result, daily result, estimated results, because as I told you, lookalike audience has not yet been uploaded properly. So it will take some time. Now, after this is done, here you can do the optimization if you want literally the views, the landing page would be the Instagram URL of your page, right? So that URL you want to be viewed, like people are visiting, if you want profile visiting more, not only link click, but I want profile visiting cost, as in you want 1 click for 1 rupees, not more than that. So you might not get, if the Facebook will help you to deliver it less. Like for example, it will not give you exactly 1, it might, but sometime it doesn't. So it might give you like 2 rupees, max to max 3, not more than that. So you can cost control over here. So it is a good option, and it is optional. You don't initially don't put it as you're starting with that, but once you're getting like 5, 6, 10 rupees stuck, then you can just put a cost control over there. So this is the last part of the ad. Now I'll select the page. So it has already been selected. So you just have to select your Instagram and your Facebook page, right? So after that, here you have to, if it comes to creating the ad, so I prefer putting a video story. A normal post on story and a video on story, the more converting medium or the content will be video. Always video for stories. So just always concentrate on having a video for stories. So I might take some of add image. So I'll take one of my story. Right now I believe I don't have a video story, but I just have a story which looks like a video. Actually I had created a video, but I'm not getting it over here. So I'll just select a story like with that story ka size. So here if you are creating the content for just story ads, so please check out the size. What is the size of an Instagram story? So once I've selected that, so here it is. So this is how it will look. Maybe it is loading, but it will show in some time a preview of the ad. So this is how it will look on your Instagram, on my audience Instagram account. And here can you see the swipe up option? So if people want to know how I got this many users in less than 2 months, so they want to see like how I got it, so they will open up they'll just slide it up and they'll land up on my Instagram account. So I would also give you one extra tip if you're doing that. So please keep your first content which is relevant to this, or just keep it on your bio to check how I got, so the YouTube link or something, so they can just keep, there is a funnel, like everything is connected. They don't they are not misguided or anything. So this is the main part where you have to put your Instagram, because this is an important part. You have to put a proper URL. So go to Instagram. I'm not getting it over here. I'll just okay, so it will not show any error now. Yeah, so to see if it is a proper URL, just click on the preview URL and it should land up on your Instagram page or the account. Here it is. So this is correct. So I'll just go back to the ads. A link, if you want to change the display link, you can do it. It is optional, so leave it blank. Here actually there's a mistake, not a mistake, but I believe Instagram should put a follow visit profile or something like that as an option over here, because we can do Instagram ads via Facebook, right? So here I'll just choose learn more ka option. Here we don't need a conversion tracking or a pixel code to be inserted because it is on Instagram. If it was on my website, I would have clicked on tracking it on the Facebook pixel. So I believe it is done. Now you just have to see the result. So I'll just publish it. And it will take, maybe this will take a much more time because the lookalike audience might take like 30 minutes to 1 hour to just upload if there are a lot of data, lot of lookalikes. So for that, and once it is published, just give it like 1 or 2 hours and it will be activated, and you can just see the result, how you're getting it. I hope you guys have liked this video, and I guess you have learned something. Don't worry. So I hope you guys have liked it. Do subscribe to this channel, and let's connect with one more video soon, next week. Bye.